Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Oral Health Management by Dr. Alka Khade. Today we will discuss about the space maintainer. The dental space maintainer are the device used to leave the open spaces for the permanent teeth to grow in after the milk teeth are lost permanently. It might not seem like to be a big problem at first. A gap not taking proper care can lead to a expensive problem down the road.
Now we'll see the definition of space maintainer. A fixed or removable appliances placed to maintain the space created by the premature loss of a tooth or a teeth. This allows the permanent teeth to erupt unhindered into proper alignment and occlusion. A space maintainer is recommended after the ultimately loss of primary tooth. Now we'll see what are the objectives of the space maintenance. Number 1 is the preserve space created by premature loss. Number 2 is preserve the integrity of dental arch. Number 3 is preserve the normal occlusion. Number 4 is preserve the aesthetics. And number 5 is aid in phonetics. Number 6 is prevent the abnormal habits. 4 appliances generally used to maintain the space in the primary dentition or the milk teeth dentition. Number 1 is the band and loop. Number 2 is the lingual arch. Number 3 is the distal shoe. And number 4 is the removable appliances. Patient always asks us, how do I install space maintainer? It is held in place by a crown on the tooth next to the space or an orthodontic type band around one of the teeth next to the open space. A wire loop is attached to the band or crown. It sticks out across the space where the tooth is missing and just touches the tooth on the other side of the open space. One of my patients asked me, are the space maintainer painful? The process of placing a space maintainer is painless and wearing one does not cause pain. While your child gets used to having a new object in their mouth, they may rub their tongue or cheek against it, causing irritation. Question number 3. Are space maintainer really necessary? The answer is, not every child will need a space maintainer for every baby tooth that falls out. Space maintainers are usually only needed when a child loses a tooth before its permanent replacement has developed or is ready to erupt. This can occur due to the tooth decay or injury, or sometimes it just happens naturally too. According to me, the best space maintainer is our primary teeth. That serves as the best space maintainer for permanent teeth. So my humble request to all the patients not to extract for the primary teeth, because these teeth are very important. These teeth acts as a space maintainer for the permanent teeth. Now we will see the difference between the leeway space and the primate space. The primate space is naturally occurring spacing between the deciduous or the milk teeth. The leeway space involves the posterior primary teeth and accounts for tooth size differences between primary and permanent dentition. It is the space to be preserved when primary teeth or the milk teeth are lost prematurely. Now the question is there, what is the best space maintainer for an 8-year-old patient? A tooth is the ideal space maintainer and every effort should be made to retain primary molars until the proper time for their natural loss. Always the patient asks the questions, can you chew gum with space maintainer? Once a space maintainer is placed, your child will need to avoid chewing gum or sticky foods. They will need to keep the area clean with consistent brushing and flossing. At each routine dental visit, your child dentist will assess when the space maintainer is no longer needed. Now we will see the failure to maintain the space result in malocclusion or misalignment of the teeth. Number 1 is the difting and tipping of the teeth. Number 2 is loss of arch length. Number 3 is midline shift. Number 4 is crowding of permanent teeth. Number 5 is impaction, that there is impacted molars or premolars or canines. Number 6 is orthodontic intervention including extraction. Number 7 is space loss occurring from mesial tipping of primary second molar secondary to proximal caries.
So friends, my small message for all the parents whose childs are around 8 to 12 years of age, don't extract the teeth. because teeth are utmost important. If you extracted any teeth, do replace with the space maintainer because it is a proper device. They help in grow the teeth properly.
So friends, if you are new on this channel, do subscribe the channel, do like, share and feel free to comment. See you soon with the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.